start making breakfast. Fried ham. Cut some slices of ham first. It's time to fry the ham. It's ready! Kanji! It's time to make kanji! Add some seasonings to make the kanji more delicious. It's ready! Wagashi is a kind of Japanese dessert that looks pretty in a variety of styles. Let's start making wagashi. Let's make wrappers first. Cut the wrapper into a square one. Add a spoonful of sweet bean paste. And then wrap the bean paste ball inside. Yeah! The wagashi looks so pretty! Let's make another wagashi. This one will look prettier. First, make it into little thin strips. And then add 4 spoonfuls of sweet bean paste. Finally, put the thin strips on the bean paste ball. Wow! This one looks pretty as well. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Wow! The pretty wagashi is ready! salads, mixed veggies, or fruits that are seasoned with sauces. Make the salad. Choose a nice-looking plate. Choose 3 ingredients for the salad. Select one type of dressing, hollandaise sauce. Let's find these seasonings. Water. Not this one. Salt. Not this one. 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 Clarified butter. Not this one. Egg yolk. Not this one. Lemon juice. Wow! The delicious salad is finished!